What's up guys, my name is Brandon. Thanks for stopping by today. And today I'm going to take you through the process of removing the front timing cover off of my F-150 Coyote for this Coyote Swap project behind me. So I'm going to be removing all the accessories and everything, so check it out. I'll take you through step by step. I may chime in as we have to break down some things, but it'll be a nice little compilation. Thanks for joining, thanks for coming to see the channel, and continue to like, comment, subscribe and stuff, because I will be posting more videos. I was trying to do every Sunday, but I may have to pick it up just because I've been working on this so fast that I have so much content that I'm getting now with my camera. So I may pick this up and actually do more, maybe 2 a week or something like that. So comment below what you want to see. And like I said, I'll take you through the process of the Coyote Swap as I do it. I'll try to get as much footage as I can. And you know, anything you guys want to see, you want to talk about, comment below, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Now let's get into the video. So for reference, this is pretty much the same as a regular F-150. I mean, this is an F-150 motor, so this is the same as a 15 to 17 GT, any GT really timing cover. And so a company Powered by the Hour sells this. Actually, one sec. Company Powered by the Hour Performance sells this. And they actually do some like preliminary filing of some certain parts as well, so that way down the line, if I want to add boost to this, it's kind of already cleaned up for me, nice and pretty. So basically, my goal is going to be to take everything from this timing cover and put it onto here. It won't be right away like this video, because while I have the timing cover off, I'm going to actually redo all the timing components and replace it with new GT timing components. So from my understanding, going from an F-150 motor, which is what I have, and to get it to perform and work well with control pack as if it were a Mustang motor, I had to get Mustang cams, intake and exhaust, I believe, for Gen 2. I've heard Gen 1 you may only need an intake cam, but I have a Gen 2 motor, so intake and exhaust cams, as well as the Mustang phasers. And I figured while I'm in there, I'll just put a brand new timing chain and stuff like that as well. Also, while in here, I do have a Boundary oil pump with billet aluminum oil gears, so I'll be swapping that out as well. The main thing I'll probably do with this timing cover right now is all the bolts I removed from here, I'll put here just so I know where everything kind of is supposed to be located. Because I think some of these bolts are different lengths, and I don't want to have to kind of play the matching game afterwards. So So this is the pulley tool I'm using, the removable tool. Basically these little hooks right here are gonna go hook into these, like, hook behind these legs on the pulley, if you will, and then it'll basically draw it in. So there's another bolt that'll kind of go through here and rest right up in here, and then you're just gonna essentially tighten it down while these are hooking on, cause it a pulling effect for this to pull out and off, like so. Just like that, the crank pulley harmonic balancer is removed. One of the main reasons I have to remove this is, you'll see right here with the new system, the belt I'm going to be running is actually a 6-screw and another 6-screw, but the factory one for the F-150 is actually a 4-groove and a 6-screw. So the new harmonic balancer I have from Power by the Hour will be a 6 and 6, and it also comes with a replacement crank bolt because those are supposed to be one-time use. Alright, so timing cover is removed. This is the old one, and you can see it kind of has some buildup, I guess, from sitting. So it looks a lot dirtier than, say, it normally would. But yeah, timing cover removed. As I was pulling the bolts from here, you may have noticed I was just kind of dropping them in their corresponding places on the new timing cover. Where they had some, I would put it, because being that this is a Mustang timing cover, it is slightly different. Really, I think there was only one little bolt here without a place, but I'll see if I need it. I don't think I will. And so I'm gonna, in a later video, you're gonna see me change out all these timing components for Mustang stuff. So Mustang cams, Mustang phasers, brand new timing chain and everything like that. While I'm in there, it just makes sense to do it. Brand new crank sprocket, a new oil pump with billet aluminum oil gears. So that'll be the next video for you guys. But yeah, so this is the timing cover removal on a 2016 F-150 motor.